U.S. Army Signal Corps forecasted potentially severe weather in the New Orleans St. John's Parish for the weekend of August 22nd. Neighbors boarded up back doors and windows and stocked them on food and water supplies. No sooner had the word gone out than torrential rains hit the area. Hurricane Diane was upon us. Initially, an occasional curious resident could still be seen outdoors in slickers with umbrellas in hands. Thunder roared as lightning raced across the skies and the heavens opened up the floodgates. Come Saturday midday, the entire area was flooded. As the eye of the storm passed through, the sun briefly peeked through the clouds and the winds calmed a bit. But later the skies once again grew dark as waves crashed about, ever encroaching the shores. Huge gale-force winds and downspouts filled the air. The townspeople became excited with the storms, and come evening revelers ventured out for rooftop parties while the storm raged wildly about. Some came by rafts and small boats. Occasionally fires broke out at lightning-strike sites. Bodies danced and whirled to music as the winds howled and lightning flashed almost in time to the music, whipping the crowd into an electrifying frenzy. At daybreak Sunday morning, light rain drizzled as I slowly made my way back home from the party in a small raft I had secured. Other neighbors could also be seen in boats and rafts returning home or to neighbors' homes to survey the damage and to try to right their belongings. Later that evening, residents of the parish joined together once again at the gathering hall for a celebratory ball, enjoying the company and giving thanks that no one was harmed. Special thanks to Gabriel Reel for bringing this weekend-long event to the residents of St. John's Parish, an early 1900s New Orleans sim in the virtual world of Second Life 2014.